What's going on, guys? This is Rico back with another video. I'm about to microwave Amigos for just 10 seconds in a microwave. I know, I'm crazy, but hey, this DIY. So 10 seconds and watch what it do. I might have to turn off the light. I doubt it though. Look at that bag. Amigos. You have to leave it in there. Let it, you don't want to really touch this. It's hot. So what I'm going to do is take it out, put it on top. Let me turn it around. Yeah. Now I'm about to do one more. We're going to chips I had yesterday. Going in the microwave. Now I'm only going to do that just for 7 seconds. But I'm going to turn off the light this time. Excuse there ain't no light. I just want y'all to see this. So 7 seconds. There goes nothing. I'm a fool. Fetty Wap bag of chips. Real bag of chips. I used to make these. I used to make keychains out of them. Oh, God. It stinks. Stink. So, there you go. So, oh, it really cooled off. Yeah. Uh-oh. For some odd reason, I'm blocking it. Yeah, that's better. There you go. Crazy DIY. 7 seconds. 10 seconds. That's it. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure you hit that thumbs up and subscribe. I'm out of here.